Okay, so in this lesson, let's do some more jQuery. Now, what if I want to remove the actual element? For example, this element. If I want to remove this first button with the ID of target one, how do I do that? Okay, let's give it a try. First, we target the item, that element that we want to remove, the HTML element. So in this case, it's target one, right? And I want to remove. Okay, couldn't get any more easier. Just use the remove method. Refresh. As you can see, target 2 3, so one's gone. Refresh, it's gone. So that is one very easy way to remove HTML element. Okay, so let's learn about append method. Okay, so append means, for example, let's say, what if I want to uh, take one button from the left side and append to the right side? How do you do that? Okay, so let's give it a try. First of all, I'm just going to get rid of it. Okay, so what we covered in this video is remove. Okay, now we don't have this specific class name, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it this first column a class name of left. Okay, and for this one I give a class name of right. Okay, let's save it. Okay, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, let's say, refresh. Okay, let's get rid of that hide fade out as well, right? Okay, refresh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the target 4 from right to left. Okay, so how do I do that? Let's see. First, get ready to write some jQuery, and then what I'm going to target, I'm going to target the ID of target 4. Okay, the button with the ID of target 4. Okay, then what I want to do, I want to append 2, right? So append 2. Now, by the way, you get so many methods with jQuery, so it's not really, you can't remember if you're just starting with, but as you work for some time, you will get used to most of the popular ones, you know. And even if you don't know, you just quickly search in Google and you'll get this and that methods. Okay, so don't stress about remembering all this stuff. Just understand how it works, and the most common ones like add class, remove, props, HTML, append to, you know, you'll get used to it. Okay, so don't be overwhelmed. Now target 4, append to. I want to append to the class name, right? That's the yeah, class name. Okay, so append to class name of left. Okay, so this should do. Let's give it a try, and as you can see, it moved to the left. How cool is that, right? So it's pretty amazing what you can do with jQuery. So we covered append to. Let's cover one more, which is called clone, and you can use this in combination with append to. Okay, so for example, let's clone and append as well. Okay, so how do we chain these two functions? Okay, so let's give it a try. First thing I want to do is I want to, for example, let's say, move the entire left right column. Okay, so what I want to do is first let's take the left column. Okay, and to this left column, what I want to do is I want to clone, right? So use this clone method. You apply the clone method to the left class, right? So left div. So you want to add one more method, not just clone. So what you're going to do is first clone, then append to. You know, simple as that. First clone, and then chain the function with another function, which is append to, and then this function will append, and as you can see, same as that one, we can append to the left. Okay, we can do that. Yeah, take the left, clone that, and append to the right. Right. Okay, and I have this auto formatting, that's why you see this one. Right? Okay, so let's give it a try, and as you can see, 1234 has been cloned. 1234 has been cloned here. So that's how you can chain two methods. All right. Okay, so now we're nearly there. We've covered a lot of basics: adding, removing, targeting the properties, adding HTML, appending, cloning, all this stuff. So in the next lesson, let's learn a few more tricks. Then we will move on to understanding JSON and Ajax. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.